All right, we're taking our sky cam and we're going to head over to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. For one, just because it's a beautiful photo out there, and because it's Wisconsin, you know that it's going to be cold. It's actually so cold, it's 5 degrees right now. I can count that on my fingers, and tonight's going to be -8. They won't go above 20 degrees for the next week and a half during the day, and mostly at night they're going to be in the negative. So that's some cold air. Now what we have, this is over in Winchester. We had 43 degrees today. The winds are calm, and right now they're sitting right at the freezing mark of 32. So around the rest of the area here, we've got Manassas, Leesburg still hanging on at 36. Cumberland down to 29, Kaiser at 31 degrees. So once again, we're all going to hover right around freezing mark. So taking a look at the storm system, it's going to be here in a few several hours. We've got some snow moving into the region around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. And then once it gets here, we're going to be riding that snow rain line pretty close. Actually, appears that maybe the heavier might be just south of the D.C. metro area. And when it's here, it could be 1 to 2 inches per hour, and it will be for a short period of time in the morning, because once we get to midday, that system really starts to move on out, and then left behind, we've just got a little bit of sunshine right before we go to sunset. So that's pretty much a quick moving storm, but it could pack a little bit of a punch there. We got winter storm warnings everywhere that you see in the pink, and winter weather advisories on the outsides, high north side and south side. And if we look at some of the numbers, Hagerstown, anywhere generally between 1 to 3 inches. Same thing with Frederick, Leesburg, maybe a little bit more, around 3 to 4 inches. And then the darker line trending a little bit towards the lower end of the numbers, 4 inches or so. And like I said, that could drift a little further south depending on where that low forms overnight to see where we get that heavier swath across the area. So tonight's lows right around that freezing mark, 32 degrees all the way, even in D.C. as well. And then tomorrow, after that storm is gone, the sun comes out. We're looking at 40 degrees, and that's in Frederick, Maryland. So it's not going to be too bad until the nighttime temperatures. So we've got 40 everywhere: Silver Spring, Bethesda, Burtonsville, Frederick, Linganore, Walkersville, 39 in Thurmont. And then when you head over to Northern Virginia, we can see a couple of 43s in Woodbridge and Quantico, and then 41 in Arlington and Fairfax. So for your 7-day forecast, we've got our snow tomorrow, clearing in the afternoon, temperatures in the 40s. Nice sunny day for us on Monday. Little bit chance of a shower on Tuesday morning, but really the next system that we're watching comes late Wednesday into Thursday. Looking snow likely. Temperatures hover right below freezing, and then it's going to turn into a wintry mix on Friday. We're going to have some rain and snow mixing together, and then temperatures are really going to drop to 18 degrees that night, upper 20s on Saturday, because that cold air is here.
Thank you, Michael.